Let us go with the problem number 23 here. Right, find the smallest 4-digit number such that when it is divided by 12, 18, 21 and 28 and it leaves remainder 3 in each cases. Right, that is what we need to find out. It is a simple LCM problem. First let us find out LCM of 12, right, 12, 18, 21 and as well as 28. Right, just let me start dividing by 3. 3 4s are right, 3 6 3 7s 3. 3, it's not possible. Let me keep it as it is. Let me go with again 7, right, 4 6, I can't divide. 7 1s 7 4s. Now let me go with the 2 2s 3s 1 and as well as 2. Again further I can divide. 2 1s 3 1, I can't divide. 2 1s. Now the LCM for this is 2 into 2, right, these 2 into 3 into 3, these 3 into 7, right. What is this? 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9 and 7, right. Now so 9 4s are 36, right, into 7, 7 6 are 42, 4 carry, 7 3s are 21 plus 4 25. So 252 is the LCM of this 12, 18, 21 and 28. Right, the LCM is 252. This is the smallest 3-digit number which is going to divide by these numbers, but we need the 4-digit number. So 4-digit number, let me start multiplying with 1. So 252, it is 3-digit only. If I multiply with 2, again 2-digit only will come. 3, again 3-digit. Let me multiply it with 4. That is 252 into 4. 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 20, 0 2 carry, 4 2s are 8 plus 2 is 10. So 1008 is the smallest 4-digit number which is divisible by 12, 18, 21 and 28. But we need 3 remainder, right, in each cases. So for that what we need to do, we are supposed to add 3 to this, right. 8 plus 3 is 11, 1 carry, so 1 0 1. So 1011 is the smallest 4-digit number. It's the smallest 4-digit number which is divisible by 12, 18, 21 and 28, and every time it leaves the remainder 3. It leaves 3 as the remainder in every cases. So that's what the answer is here, 1011.